An upcoming holiday has a way of spicing up life as you know it, from the moment the days start dwindling until you get to your destination. Before you find yourself on the shores of an island paradise, you'll first need to decide which one you want to visit. If you're looking for somewhere gorgeous, adventurous, and fun, the Caribbean is probably the first place that comes to mind. In this video, we are going to unveil the top 10 Caribbean islands. If you enjoy learning about beautiful destinations and want to stay updated on our latest videos, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And number 10 is Curacao, located in the north of Venezuela. The island of Curacao boasts one of the liveliest urban centers in the Caribbean. Willemstad, Curaçao's capital, offers a distinctive Euro-Caribbean experience, where Dutch colonial architecture brings Amsterdam in pastels to this autonomous country within the Kingdom of the Netherlands. But Curaçao is more than just stunning architecture. Here, paradise awaits on pristine beaches like Canepa Beach or Porto Mari. Soft sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters create the perfect picture for relaxation. The island's underwater world is a wonderland for divers and snorkelers. Explore vibrant coral reefs and visit the underwater marine park within Cristofel National Park. This park, the highest point on Curaçao, offers not just stunning underwater experiences, but also caters to hikers with trails winding through lush vegetation and rewarding them with panoramic island views. Number 9 is St. Lucia. An unexpectedly refreshing holiday awaits in St. Lucia. This beautiful island is fair indeed and features greenery almost everywhere you look. This is one island where you can have an escape that is as exciting or laid back as you desire. Whether you pack your itinerary with things to do or go with the flow, that'll be entirely up to you. Whatever you decide, you might want to visit at least one beach and a waterfall. Some of the best beaches in the north of the island are Pigeon Island Beach and Redouet Beach, and in the south, Sandy Beach and View Fort right next to the Huanora International Airport. And number 8 is Puerto Rico. Known for its beautiful landscapes and rich culture, Puerto Rico makes for an exciting holiday destination. Many people don't realize that Puerto Rico is an island, but it certainly is. This means that your island escape can be closer than you think if you'll be traveling to this destination from the United States. Here you can see firsthand some of the natural wonders of the world, including the glowing bays, which are bioluminescent beaches, and the Guanica dry forest, one of the most expansive dry forests in the world. While in Puerto Rico, you should also take some time to see the Rice's Fountain at La Princesa, which was unveiled in 1992 and is spectacular to watch, especially around sunset. Number 7 is Martinique, for a Caribbean French flavor. This volcanic island simmers with French flair, evident in the wrought iron balconies and sidewalk cafes lining Fort-de-France, the bustling capital. But beneath that Parisian veneer lies a wild heart. Hike the slopes of Mount Pelée, an active volcano that whispers tales of its fiery past. Or explore the emerald rainforests of Caravel Peninsula, vibrant flora and fauna. Dive into the crystal-clear coves that has colorful fish, or unwind on the black sand beaches, a unique volcanic reminder of Martinique's fiery soul. Whether you crave adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a dash of French je ne sais quoi on your Caribbean escape, Martinique offers an unforgettable experience. And number 6 is Antigua. From the shores of Dickinson Bay, a haven for sunbathers and water sports fans with its pristine white sand, to the secluded paradise of Half Moon Bay, where pink sand creates a landscape, Antigua caters to every beach bum's desire. After soaking up the Caribbean sun, tantalize your taste buds with the island's culinary scene. Dive into the heart of St. John's, the vibrant capital, where the market offers fresh, local produce. Be sure to snag the island's possession, the Antigua Black Pineapple, renowned for its unique sweetness and a must-try for any foodie. Whether you crave the perfect beach escape or a delicious adventure for your palate, Antigua promises an unforgettable experience. And number 5 is the Dominican Republic. Dominica is marked by its alluring sugar-soft sands and turquoise waters. History buffs can wander the cobbled streets of Santo Domingo, the oldest European settlement in the Americas, and marvel at colonial architecture. Nature lovers can trek through lush rainforests, witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of humpback whales migrating off the Samana Peninsula, or explore coral reefs. Adventure seekers can go whitewater rafting, ziplining through lush valleys, or kite surfing on the crystal-clear waves. Dominican culture is a blend of African, European, and Taíno influences, evident in the infectious music, mouth-watering cuisine, and warm hospitality of the Dominican people. If you want to relax on pristine beaches, the Dominican Republic offers an amazing Caribbean experience. Number 4 is Jamaica. Jamaica is a paradise for anyone looking to explore, unwind, and enjoy a mix of nature and luxury. This island is just an hour and a half away from some US cities and can be the tropical getaway you've always dreamed of. The first thing you'll notice once you arrive in Jamaica is how green this island is. Beaches with swaying palm trees are a reality here. As are crisp and clean waterfalls, you can jump right into it. If you're into reggae music, such as the sounds of Bob Marley, or even spicier genres like dancehall, you can dance to your heart's content at any of the local clubs or bars, and even within your resort. We recommend Jamaica's amazing overwater bungalows at Sandals Royal Caribbean and Sandals South Coast. And for families with kids, a water park vacation at Beaches Negril or Beaches Ocho Rios. And number 3 is Guadeloupe. Warm and welcoming, the French Caribbean island of Guadeloupe is one of the largest islands in the region. Here, you can enjoy a France meets Caribbean feel right under the tropical sun and delight in fusion cuisine as is popular in French Caribbean territories. During your time in Guadeloupe, you can visit Basse-Terre in the west, which is the capital of this Caribbean nation and home to Parc National de la Guadeloupe. At the highest point of this park is La Grande Soufrière, which is an active stratovolcano. It is the highest point in the Lesser Antilles. On this verdant island, you can enjoy some of the most exciting nature excursions, indulge in culinary delights at the local cafes and restaurants, or just kick back on one of the beaches in areas like Grande Terre to the east, hopefully with an expertly made rum punch in hand. And number 2 is Grenada. Grenada is known and loved for all the spices the island produces. Their aromas linger in the air, adding a certain sweetness to every holidaymaker's experience. This island is as beautiful as they come, with its amazing waterfalls and spectacular beaches. You really can't go wrong with selecting this island for a getaway. In Grenada, you'll find colorful colonial towns, exciting options for excursions like hiking nature trails, and the best of Caribbean hospitality. Your experience on this island can include spending some time at one of the all-inclusive resorts in Grenada, where you'll have access to things like unlimited dining at multiple themed restaurants, bars including swim-up bars, day and night entertainment, and so much more. As far as Caribbean experiences go, Grenada definitely leaves nothing to be desired. And number 1 is the Bahamas. Do you know that the waters of the Bahamas are among the clearest in the world, which makes it great for snorkeling and diving? This Caribbean county is loved both by the weddings and honeymoon crowds, as well as families looking for adventure and lots of beach time. All those islands equate to hundreds of beaches, many of them just a short drive or a boat ride away. It is famous for pink sand beaches and swimming pigs as well, so this will be a truly unique experience. Other than lounging on picture-perfect beaches or even scuba diving in the Bahamas, you'll be able to enjoy lots of entertainment and unique cuisine, including conch dishes and other food and drinks you can try in the Bahamas. There are quite a few luxurious all-inclusive resorts in Nassau, as well as duty-free shopping and world-class casinos. All in all, you won't run out of things to do in the Bahamas.